We'll guide you through how to copy a grid in Figma to another. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to reuse the same layout grid across multiple frames or pages in Figma without recreating it from scratch. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. When the application launches, click Login with Browser on the Start screen. You will automatically be redirected to your web browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use, for example, continue with Google. After selecting the login option, choose the account you use to sign in to Figma so the system can verify your identity. Once the authentication process is completed, click Open the desktop app to return to the Figma desktop application. You will automatically be redirected back to the application after the login process finishes. Next, open the Figma file where you want to copy a grid to another frame. From the toolbar at the top of the interface, select Frame. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a frame. This frame will serve as the container for the layout grid that will be copied later. After creating the frame, go to the right side of the interface and scroll down in the Properties panel. Locate the Layout Guide section, which is used to add grid guides to frames. Click the Add Layout Guide icon to enable a grid inside the selected frame. Make sure the type setting is configured as grid. This ensures that the frame displays a square grid pattern. Next, adjust the grid size according to your design needs. You can also change the grid color according to your preference to make it easier to see while working. Adjust the grid opacity to control how visible the grid appears on the canvas. After the grid is fully configured, select the frame that contains the grid. Press C on the keyboard to copy the frame. Next, open a new page within the same Figma file. Once the new page is open, press V on the keyboard to paste the frame with the grid layout onto the new page. Review the copied grid carefully to ensure it has been successfully applied to the new frame.